it back. Back, back, we're bringing it back. It's something that we can't explain. Colors that burst inside your brain. We're making moves. It's how we do. We can't help it, we keep it cool. Make it fancy, we make the rules. The view from the top, it's kinda hot. We got that old school swagger. Everybody's after. It's got you feeling good. We got that old school swagger. Everybody's after. It's got you feeling good. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Yeah, yeah. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Back, back. We're bringing it back. Back, back. We're bringing it back. Oh, back, back. We're bringing it back. Back, back. We're bringing it back. So come on, join the party now, 'cause we know what it's all about. Incredible, just how we roll. Out of this world like a mirage. Got the crowd saying oohs and ahs. Kaleidoscope dreams, a reality. We got that old school swagger. Everybody's after. It's 1 in a million. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Yeah, yeah. We're bringing it back. Yeah, yeah. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Hit it one more time. We're bringing it back. Get you feeling right. Yeah, we got that. Bringing it back. Yeah, we got that. Bringing it back. We're 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 bringing it. We're bringing it back. 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 Yeah, yeah. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back.
Hi, this dance is called Bringing It Back. It's a 32 count improvement level dance with a 1 restart plus right away plus a little tap. Every facing the wall. Start with the right foot to the back, back, back. Left coaster, step. And then we make a PB heel turn right with a step, heel turn and keep turning right. We're gonna make another heel turn right with a shuffle. We do the chap, turn. Okay, this section with count right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the second section, start with the right foot. You do the pony set. So right foot, back, and then repeat to the left knee, recover, and back again. And then repeat to the left foot, pony set, back, and back. And then right foot step back, hit your left knee, and then left foot, so the left 3 walk. Okay, this second section was count, pony, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we're gonna do 2 Charleston, and each Charleston with a quarter turn left. So typically will be a half turn. So you start with the right foot, touch, and return to the left corner, and left foot, touch back, and then finish your quarter turn. Left step back, as you finish it 1 Charleston with quarter turn, and then repeat one more time. Touch, turn, touch, turn. Okay, this section will count. So Charleston, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last section we do those 6 steps. So start with the right foot to the right corner. You do the step, behind step, the corner step, and then behind step, and right foot, rock more, recover, and then we make a rolling turn. With these two steps, we make a quarter turn and heel turn right. So you do the quarter and heel turn. Okay, this section was count. So after the Charleston, we should be facing your back wall, and then the dorsey. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put everything together this time. So right foot, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for the distance at wall A, we have a restart. We will do the first 2 8 count, so we should be facing the 9 o'clock wall. Let's put it together. We do the first 2 8 counts. Comes the right foot back, close the step, heel, turn, chop, turn for me, back and back, wall, and then we restart. But we need to add a little tap here. We're gonna use a 4 count. We do a slow PV 3/4 turn, leg PV turn. So you do the step, turn. In the end, your weight is on your left, and then when we started, dance to the back, step.